I'm excited to share with you a brand new feature in TypeClerk. If you open the app now, you will see that you have a new icon for timesheets. So let's open the time tracker and let's add a new project, new client, and we will say that we bill, for instance, 125 per hour. That's it. And then we can open this. And we can say, because we know we have already worked for 1 hour, that we add 1 hour. As you can see, we have here at the top 1 hour worked and no hour billed. We have now this little icon here, which we can click to insert this time into a document. But we can also give it a description like we worked on the website revamp plan for 1 hour. We save and then we click it here and we can add it to one of our documents. For instance, the time invoice. As you can see now, it's been added. So it's marked as built, 1 hour built, 1 hour worked. And we can click here and see that it's properly inserted 1 hour at 125 in the time invoice. So now we are ready to invoice this hour, but we could also keep on adding new sessions to the same invoice. If I come back here and I say, okay, I have another session of, let's say, 2 hours, and I worked on the website SEO, for instance. So here you see I've got 2 hours, 250, and I can include them to the same time invoice. And if I go here now, I click, I see I have the 2 hours for the SEO and the 1 hour for the revamp plan. And I could, of course, add my own rows here to my invoice, like, for instance, training for a flat fee of 500 if I want. So I can mix the rows, can come back here. I can add another one and say, for instance, that for half an hour, I worked on corrections. That's it. And they are not built. And we can add them to the same invoice, and they were added to the invoice. If we go to the project section, and if we copy here as a PNG, we can paste a PNG summary of the client anywhere in a conversation in WhatsApp or any other destination. So that's the new feature. We have added simple timesheet management and timesheet invoicing in TypeClerk.